welcome back to the video. So today we're going to be doing a nail haul, and it's going to be from Only Nails shop, where it's basically nail art supplies, so like charms, decals, things like that. I'm going to show you what I got from there, but first let's get into these press-on nails. Yes, these are press-ons. It's kind of hard to believe, isn't it? I got something sticky on it. Hold on, wait 1 second, you guys. It's like a little tape or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, I know it's hard to believe these are press-ons, but I mean, look, like the thickness is there, like they look so good. And look how natural it looks, like back here. Look at that. Looks really good. And I did make these myself, and I actually use this color to match my toes, but yeah, so I do make custom press-ons. I'm actually launching my site within a matter of days, you guys. It's been a lot of work in the making, but I'm really excited about it. I'm nervous at the same time, but I want to let you guys know so that way if you do want to support me in my business endeavors, definitely be sure to check out my site and follow me on my Instagram that is linked to that site. And I'm actually going to show you all what it is on the screen right here. So it is the Chic Beauty Factory. And that's my Instagram right there. And then you can reach me here for like any emails or anything that you want to send me. And it's Bianca at chic.beautyfactory.co. And then I also have my website, which is www.chicbeautyfactory.co. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. Whew, y'all. I mean, it's been a lot. Like, I've been working on this for almost a year. Like, I've really been working at it a lot, getting all the correct materials, investing all my money in the things I need invested in, getting the right supplies out, because I'm that person where I don't want to just launch anything if I don't have all my stuff together. And yeah, so I definitely feel like I feel better now that I got everything together and I'm ready to go. So we're gonna do it. And basically I'll be creating different sets every week. So if you guys want me to upload like me doing gel designs or like my creative process or how I create different designs and things like that, such as these, or you know, anything like that, then definitely be sure to let me know down below in the comments, and that way I can essentially get on that for you guys. But yeah, I'm really in love with these. I'm in love with the quality. They're not like plastic tips, they're the gel tips, or the full gel cover nails. And I like these a lot because they're sturdy, they're not going anywhere, my fingers don't hurt, they're not bending, you know. These stay on. I've had these on for almost a week now, and they're gonna last, I'm pretty sure, probably up to 2 weeks, if not 3. And I did apply them with nail glue, but I also do offer nail tabs and things like that, but you all will see on the site. And again, definitely be sure to check out my Instagram, but I don't want to bother you guys too much. And I'm going to go ahead and get into what I got from Only Nails. So the first thing she sent over, oh, also this is what the package looks like. And this is from Only Nails, as you can see there. It's a black package, really nice. I did go ahead and take things out off camera. I haven't like looked at everything yet, but I did take it off camera because it's hard for me to open things on camera. But here's what she sent. She said, "You have great taste. Thank you for your order, Dom," which I think her name is Dominique. But yeah, she has her Instagram here at Nails by Dom, so definitely go support. And yeah, she does like really pretty work. I like this purple set. Honestly, I might recreate this for myself. I always love a little bubble design that they're doing, but these honestly are so cute. And yeah, I like her rings too. But anyway, you guys, moving on. So what I ordered was, I ordered 2 butterfly foils. Oh, also, okay, I placed my order on June 17th, and I'm getting it now on the 25th. So it took about a little bit over a week for it to get to me, but that's okay. So yeah, I purchased 2 butterfly foils, 2 pastel butterfly piercing charms, white abstract stickers, black alphabet stickers, dragon stickers, black abstract stickers, gold stick charms, snake decals, Playboy decals, and colorful butterflies. And just having a sale where everything was basically $1, and like, you guys know, a lot of times when people are reselling like nail supplies that they get, you know, wholesale or whatever, then they always kind of like bump up the price a little bit, to the point where it's kind of like, maybe I should just buy them off AliExpress and just wait the amount of time. But I didn't mind with this. But she also makes some of these herself, so let's get into it. So okay, these are the 2 butterfly decals that I bought. I think these are so pretty, and she actually made these. Like, these are so gorgeous, and I think they're, okay, water slide decals. So you just put them in water and then you place them on the nail. But how pretty are these? Like, if she has more still on her site, you guys better really definitely go over there and check it out and go pick some up. Like, these are so gorgeous here. I really love them. Okay. And then, what else? I also got these Playboy stickers, which I think are super cute. Very, very cute. These are gorgeous. Oh, I just noticed these are a little different, so I ended up getting more of the bigger ones on this one than this one. So, yeah. And then I also got these snake decals, which I think are so cute. I see a lot of people wanting these on their nails, so that's why I went ahead and picked some up. Especially because they were only $1, you guys. So even if I'm not happy with all the stuff, which I doubt that I'll have that issue, but it was only $1, so I don't mind. As opposed to being like $5 or, you know, $6 and they're not working and I only get, you know, like 11. I think it's, yeah, it's 11 here. You know what I mean? So it's perfectly fine. Okay, so I'm also opening this up here. She put another card in here. Nails by Dom. So this is her stuff. So domdoesnails@gmail.com, Twitter, Instagram, and her website. So she's a luxury nail artist. So I think that's pretty cool. And moving on. Okay, so these are more decals that I got. So I got these they're Pop Finger, or that's who it's by, but these are the white abstract decals, and I think these are so cute. Like, have you guys seen those paintings on like Instagram, or even like people like in their houses, they have like these paintings that are like really abstract with like the people, like, I think that's so cute on a nail. That'd be like gorgeous. So that's why I picked that up. And I also got one in black, the same idea, I believe, or no, these are actually a little bit different, but I got some in black, which I think are super cute. Okay, and then I also got these dragon ones. So it comes with like little letters and then, or symbols, and then I also got like the dragon stickers and stuff like that. These are popular too, so that's why I picked those up. And then I already have these. I bought these from Nail Supply Glamour before, but they didn't have the black in stock, so I only got silver and hot pink, and I really did want black, so I got these while I could, and they were only $1. So y'all know that nail art supplies as a nail technician can be extremely expensive. So when something is on sale, you grab it and you go. Like, you think, don't even give it a second thought. And then I love, honestly, looking at this, I love how like big the container is, because, you know, normally they're like really small, and these look like really high quality. She does awesome. And even then, even when her stuff is not on sale, it's very the price is very reasonable. Like, it's not outrageous or anything like that. And these are so cute. I definitely see myself using these, and I don't have any like these. I do have other gold little charms or trinkets and stuff like that, but I just don't have any that are like this. And I really do love how sturdy this container is. Like, this is, yeah, that's awesome. Okay, and moving on, I got some decals. So little charms put like on the end of the nail, which I thought these were so freaking cute. Like, don't you guys agree? Look how cute these are. Like, they're little butterflies, but they're like kind of supposed to mock like a stone sort of look to them, but they're so cute. And how cute are these little bags she put them in? Like, she really, yeah, she did her due diligence. I don't know, you guys. It's been a long day. So I honestly just got out of class. But yeah, so this is really cute too as well. And then also like these ones, these pink ones that are more, they're more like coral really. And she had purple ones, but I was not able to get them. They were out of stock, and I was so sad. You guys, purple is my favorite color. If you all cannot tell, purple is my favorite color, okay? But yeah, that's so cute. And I like that she sent a lot of the stuff in this drawstring bag because it's very reusable. I love that. And I just got these same butterfly foils here, and I think these are so cute with the little flowers and things like that. So yeah, that's really all I got, and I think I spent like a total of $18 or $17 on all this stuff, but you guys know, like, that's actually not bad for all of this. Especially when I probably could have spent like 18 on maybe like 3 things and I got a lot. So that's really awesome. I think you guys definitely support her. Go and check her out, you know, buy her nail supplies and things like that. So she's super awesome. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, or maybe you learned something newer, new place to shop. And yeah, and also don't forget to, you know, head over to my Instagram and things like that, just so you be up to date. And yeah, you can also subscribe to my mailing list for my website. Just go up there. It's not open yet for you all to shop, but there'll be like a little pop-up where you can actually put your email address in to be part of my mailing list, and you'll get a coupon. So definitely be sure to check it out, you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.